Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with my puppy Sherman and we're going to do another BarkBox unboxing. So this is the second month that we have BarkBox. Last month was September's box and this is October's box. I have not peeked inside this time. Last time I peeked inside of it first and he's so interested in the box. And I kind of knew what was gonna be in there because I kind of looked, but this time I did not look at all. I just got it on my doorstep, I think this morning, and I picked it up when I got home this afternoon. Side note, I am like super burnt, like really burnt. I spent all day at the beach today, so I'm just wearing like some really loose clothes. I figured it would be like a tradition for all my BarkBox videos for me to be in my PJs, so yeah, I mean, it's okay to look like this, right? We're all family here. So yeah, if you want to see my BarkBox unboxing with Sherman, then keep on watching. So last month he really loved it. Actually, one of his toys we had to throw away because he ripped it, but that wasn't really the toy's fault. We were kind of playing tug of war with it. It was the one with the cape, and the cape like ripped apart from the animal, and it like the stuffing started coming out. So that wasn't really his fault necessarily. It was kind of like us, we were like pulling it back and forth with him. He's like trying to chew through this box right now. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to get a good angle, unlike last time. Oh, watch it. Let Mama do it. I need box cutters. There we go. Uh-oh, Sherman, this is a Halloween box. This is a Halloween box. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, so also sorry, my lighting's a little bit blue. I'm kind of like sitting in front of my TV and using it as a light. Yeah, I need some lighting. But this is what the box looks like inside. It's so cute. And it is like Halloween themed. So when you open it up, oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. I'm just gonna pull this out. And on this side, it has this little, oh, don't pull it out yet. Oh, you have to wait. It says, it says wee wee board instead of Ouija board. Okay, move it along, mister. It says wee wee board. This is so funny. And then on this side, it has this little, it says return of the night of the ghost squirrels, children of the acorn too. This is so difficult. I don't know if this will ever get easier to film with Sherman. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. So this is the first thing. Let's just get out a toy so I can keep him busy. Okay, this is so cute. So this is called Spencer the Spectral Scout. Look at it, Sherman, look at this. Does he squeak? He squeaks. I mentioned this in my last video, but I don't really mind toys that squeak too much. People sometimes don't like them. So it has a spiky ball inside. Oh, and it has glow-in-the-dark eyes, Sherman. How cute. He's so cute. Let's cut off the tag. Here you go. Oh, he's so cute and he's so soft. Here, you want him? This is the next toy. Oh my gosh, he's gonna love this one. Look how cute. He's a little purple bat, right? No. High Voltage Vinny is his name. He loves toys like this that you can like put in his mouth and he can play tug of war with. Like he loves to play tug of war. And then it crinkles, the tail crinkles, and it squeaks inside, Sherman. So let's take the tag off of this one. This is gonna be a really good toy. That is so stinking cute. Take it, baby. There you go. And then here's the little pamphlet. So this says Return of the Night of the Ghost Squirrels 2, Children of the Acorn. This fall, terror climbs down from the trees. It's like a little movie poster. It's so cute. And then, aww, it shows like all the different toys that you could get in here. So cute. Eee! There's a spider inside of the box. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's like eyes are moving. Oh my god, it's got like pinchers. Sherman, where did this spider go? Because that freaked me out. Oh my god. Where did that thing go? I can't find it. I can't find that spider, and that looked like a really scary spider. It was really tiny, but it's like little pinchers were moving. So I have a shoe in case it comes back. I'm a little scared, but we're gonna keep going here. The next part is the treats, which is like my favorite part because treats are freaking expensive. If you guys don't have a dog and you don't know, treats are expensive. And these treats that they have in here, like I still have treats left from last month's box. I have one bag of treats left. I went through the one bag and then the little like chew treat thing. I went through those already. But I mean, really good treats for your dog could be like $7 for a little bag. So this little bag is so cute. It's called the Snackening. The Snackening. Can anybody tell me what movie this is supposed to be? Because I feel stupid for not knowing. The Shining? The Snackening? It says, drool on the floor, dogs appearing out of nowhere. It must be the Snackening. I don't know. These are wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free, and grain-free. Sherman does not have any allergies that like go for that, but I mean, a lot of dogs do, or a lot of people prefer to feed their dogs something like that. So it says, what does it say? These are these are 6 calories per treat. So these are actually not that bad if you wanted to like rip it up for a training treat. 6 calories isn't that bad. So, oh my goodness, this is like the shape of a little tiny ghost. He's so cute. Are they all different shapes? They're all little ghosts. How cute. I love Halloween. You guys know that. You guys know that Vine and it's like, it's freaking bats. I love Halloween. That's like my favorite Vine. Okay, let's see. See if you like it. You like? He likes it. He ate this one. Last time in the box, there was a treat that he didn't really like so much. It took him a minute to eat it. He actually ended up finishing the whole bag of the treats, so he ended up liking them. But okay, so the next little treat in here is a beef burger chew. This, I can tell you already, he's gonna go through in about 5 seconds. This is Happy Howie's Natural Dog Treats, no wheat, corn, nitrates, or soy. So it says real slow cooked beef. And it's just in this little package and it looks like this. It's literally like a little circle patty, like a little burger patty. I like to save stuff like this for like days when I'm trying to get something done and I can't like get him, like if he's not at daycare or something. I like to give him stuff like this to keep him busy, to kind of give me a break. So I'm gonna keep this. I'm not gonna open it, but I know he's gonna like it because he always likes stuff like this. The last box we got a little, I forget what it was, like a beef steak chew or something like that. He really liked it and it kept him busy for a few minutes. The spider is back. I got it. Woohoo! All right. So, let's see. Back to what we were talking about. Yeah, this is like a little burger. It's kind of small. It's like the size of my hand. I have pretty small hands, but he's really gonna like it. We have one more thing in the box, and it's the, hello, Sherman, come over here. It's the last bag of treats, and this is drool on the floor, dogs appearing out of nowhere. It must be the Snackening. Lamb dog treats. Oh my goodness. So this is a really good snack that they put in here because lamb treats, like anything that has lamb in it for dogs, is not cheap. So this is a decent sized bag and it is like filled all the way to the top. So these are also wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free, and grain-free. And these are 19 calories a treat. Interesting because they're pretty small. So let's open these up. Maybe because it's lamb? I don't know. He's very interested. Okay, sit. Ooh, I do not like the way that those smell. They're in the shape of little ghosts as well. Very cute. Okay, sit. Okay, I can't give it to you then. Sit. Good boy. He's never had lamb before. These are like kind of harder, so maybe that's why they're more calories. Like they're like dense. It's taking him a second to get through it, but he likes it though. Oh, you spit it out? He's just having a hard time chewing it. Alright guys, well, we're done unboxing this month's Bark Box. If you guys like this video and want me to continue doing these every month, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and let me know down in the comment section. And yeah, I love filming these videos because they're kind of funny to film with Sherman, and he seems to really like them. When I brought the box into the living room, he like went over to it. It was like he knew what it was, like he knew it was for him. Huh, did you know that was for you? Did you know that was for you? So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and yeah. I don't know what day of the week I'll be posting this. I'm thinking maybe Wednesday, but whatever day it is, I hope you're having a great day, and thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Want to say bye? Say bye. Say bye, guys.